Sarracenia indoor guide. How to prune Sarracenia purpurea. What you must do before cutting Sarracenia purpurea. Disinfect the scissors. Cut the dead parts of the Sarracenia purpurea. Cut from the base like this. How to cut in this case. Cut only the dead part, the part circled in green. I will post the changes of this cut Sarracenia purpurea. In the future, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. The next step is to replant Sarracenia purpurea. Remove the Sarracenia purpurea. I was able to take it out successfully. Remove O sphagnum while flushing with water. It is now clean. The roots had grown more than I expected. Now let's replant. Put Akadama soil in the bottom of the flower pot. On top of that, put Kanama soil. Holding the Sarracenia purpurea, we will put the Kanama soil. Flatten the Kanama soil. It is firmly planted in the center. Now it is time to water. The color of the water should go from brown to clear. The water is now clear. This concludes the repotting of the Sarracenia. I will also make a video in the future about the changes of the replanted Sarracenia purpurea. If you are interested, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Sarracenia in the condition it was in when I bought. I've been in the sun since I bought. Then, the leaves turned bright red. It became a very spectacular and splendid red color. Take a closer look. It is producing a lot of nectar that lures insects. I don't have any insects to give them. I post the changes of carnivorous plant and how to grow it. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.